Some situations call for little pranks. And some situations call for pranks that go all the way. Which situations do you think these are?
Booyah!
Look at all these dishes. Rock, paper, scissors to see who has to clean them. Yes! I win! Have fun cleaning! Ugh, dishes are the worst. I'll just be here enjoying my juice. Ah, refreshing. Oh, here you go. Come on, are you kidding me? Ugh, she makes doing the dishes even worse. Better try to get these done as fast as possible. Phew, I did them all. Hey, here's another glass to clean. No way. I just finished all the dishes. You know what? She needs to be taught a lesson. I'll just stretch out some tape on the counter, and then stick a row of glasses to it. I put juice in the first one, since clearly she can't get enough. Here she comes! I poured you some juice! Ah! What's happening? Oh my gosh, they all shattered! What happened in here? Oh, gotta run. Kids can be the worst sometimes. Yeah, this party is great! Hey, how are you? Did you guys watch that hilarious movie last night? Wow, who's this guy? Well, anyway, it was funny. Hey there! Pretty great party, huh? Oh, shoot! Wow, all over his shirt, too. Don't worry, Balloon. I'll hang out with you. Hey, that gives me a great idea. Just gonna let the air out of this balloon. And then just replace it with water. Now we're about to have some fun! Is anyone looking? This is gonna be hilarious! Don't mind me. Ha! Ew! What is he doing? Oh no! Don't look! He's peeing on that plant! We gotta stop him, bro! Oops! Lost control of my aim! Ha! I got you! It was just a water balloon! Well, I thought it was funny. Hey look! I made some cookies! Go ahead and have some! Oh, these smell great! Whoa. What the… He ate them all! I didn't get any! You didn't save me any cookies! They were just so good, I couldn't stop eating. It's a compliment, really, if you think about it. Here's some crumbs. Oh, so gross! You're the worst! I can't believe I shared my cookies with you. Pancakes are the best! Especially when you've got a whole fresh stack. So soft and fluffy! Uh-oh. There's only one left, and two of us. No way I'm gonna let him have it! Fight! It's mine! No, it's mine! Get your fork out of here! Yes! I win! Too bad for you. He's such a hog. He needs to be taught a lesson. Alright, I've got my fork and fake tongue. Perfect! He's gonna be shocked. A little fake blood will really sell it. It looks so real! This is great! Ah! Help! Ah! What did you do? Stop pulling on it! You're making it worse! Ha! Got you! Are you kidding me right now? Not funny at all. This last pancake is great! Ooh, this video is really intense. I hope she doesn't get bitten. Oh, I can't look! Look! She's totally scared! Hey, this might be a perfect opportunity. Boo! Why did you do that? Now I spilled all my popcorn, too! I think I'm gonna have to get some payback. This'll knock him down a notch. We'll see who gets scared easily. Time to get to work. This makeup is the best. So realistic. Okay, makeup applied. Time to shape it. I want it to kinda look like a mouth. Now to match my skin tone. So glad I bought this liquid foundation. And now to up the gross factor. I definitely want it to look bruised. Can't forget to make it bloody. Perfect! It's turning out great. And now to add some creepy infection. This makes it look like I'm in trouble for sure. This is some of my best work. And what will really sell it is the fake blood. Yep, they're gonna be sorry they scared me. Time to do some acting. Ow! Some random person bit me. It looks really bad, too. What the… Oh my gosh! Ah! Your arm! You're infected! Stay away from us! Ha! I got you! You should see your faces! That'll teach you for scaring me. Just a little bit of mascara. Oh, come on! I've gotta go! I'm in here. You'll have to wait. She always takes forever to do her makeup. Come on! I can't hold it forever! Aren't you done yet? Ugh! He made me mess up my liner! Now I have to fix it and do it again. Huh. Where did this coin come from? Oh, that gives me a genius idea. I'm just gonna tape it right under the faucet. He'll never see this coming. That's for sure. Perfect! This is gonna be epic! Fine. You can use the bathroom. Finally! You're the worst! And now I just wait. Oh, that's so much better. Can't believe how long she was taking. Can't forget to wash my hands. Ah! Stop! I'm getting soaked! Ah! Finally! But I'm sopping wet now. What's happened? Oh, this must have been her fault. Man, this candy is great! Hey! What are you doing? Don't ignore me! Ouch! Don't pull my ears like that! You're supposed to be doing your homework! She's so bossy sometimes. Oops. Ah well, I'll just get another. This video is super amazing! Hey! What's going on here? Look at this mess! I said you need to clean up after yourself! Ow! I told you to stay away from my ears! Start cleaning. Ugh, you know what? Miss Bossy needs to be pranked. You haven't cleaned anything! This place is a pigsty! What the… Ew! Ah! I told you to stop pulling my ears! Now look! Ah! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I don't know what to do! Maybe some glue? Haha! You got pranked! That's a fake ear! A fake ear? Oh, you're so mean! Yeah, laugh it up. So funny. Which of these pranks was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.